guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Ipsy April Glam Bag Plus. So if you would like to see what I got in this month's Glam Bag, well then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. If you are new here, my name is Belinda. I'm a self-taught mature makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do tutorials, reviews, unboxing, skincare, anything to do with beauty and makeup. That's my kind of thing. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, then please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. Now, if you do not know about Ipsy, Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription that you can purchase, and we have 3 tiers. We have the Glam Bag, which is $13 a month. We have the Glam Bag Plus, which is $28 a month. And then we have the Glam Bag X, and it is $55 a month. And it is every 3 months that you get that bag. So on the months that you don't get the Glam Bag X, you will get your Glam Bag Plus, which is $28. And it's quarterly that you will get that Glam Bag X. And on the months that you get your Glam Bag X, you will not get your Glam Bag Plus. But it's a great way, Ipsy is a great way to find new brands, try new things that you've never tried before. That sounds like something that you are interested in, then please go down in the description and I have a link where you can sign up for Ipsy and cancel anytime you like. I do not make any money off of it. I just get points where I can shop within the app and get things to review for you guys. So now let's get into this unboxing. So this month's theme is Keep Growing 2022. And 3 ways to upcycle your glam bags. Tidy your tech. That means putting like earplugs and your plug-in ports and things like that into it. Mini emergency prep. Hey, that is a very good idea. If you have lots of glam bags laying around, Glam Bag Pluses, put some things in it and put it in your car, like Band-Aids, Neosporin, things that you like, spray hydrogen peroxide, some little pads to wipe things off. You know, that's a really good idea. Medications, minimum hygiene products for those minor emergencies. Hint. Pay it forward. Donate bags filled with unused grooming basics to homeless shelters or self-care essentials to women's centers and nonprofits. Tip: check with your local donation centers for up-to-date needs and guidelines. That is such an amazing way to give back. Is another good way you can use your Glam Bag Plus. So I know it's unusual to see me with blue eyeshadow, but I wanted to try doing a blue eyeshadow look. And what other palette than, of course, the Blends palette. So I used the Blends palette for this look today, and I did use NARS out of the Michaela palette for the inner part of the lid. But we are going to jump into this Ipsy unboxing, and this is the one that I pay for. And again, it is in the same bag as my PR. So let's see. I didn't even pick anything this month. I just completely forgot. The first thing I see is the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. Powered by a biotic balancing complex, this multitasking pH balanced yogurt cleanser instantly melts away dirt, pollution, makeup, and excess oils without stripping the skin. Our signature biotic balancing complex and antioxidants blend of green tea and white tea and grapeseed extract, combined with vitamin-rich chlorophyll to help soothe redness and irritation due to dryness. Hyaluronic acid helps to retain moisture to keep skin feeling supple and hydrated. No smell. This stuff is pretty expensive and I really enjoy it. So this is what it looks like. Kind of does look like yogurt in a way. Absolutely no smell, so can't wait to try that. And then the next thing I got, the Yensa Super Serum Silk Foundation. Oh my gosh, I am so glad I got this because I'm afraid I was gonna run out. As you all know, I am a part of the Yensa team now, and they sent this for me to try along with a couple other things. And guys, I am loving this foundation. It covers all of my redness. It makes my skin look so healthy and radiant and just, oh, it feels so good on the skin. It lasts all day long. I, of course, love the healthy, glowing, natural looking skin. And this is what you get with the Yensa. It's vitamin C and E, ferulic bok choy, 8 super black essences. It has black tea, black sesame oil, shiitake mushroom, black seaweed, chia seed, Korean black raspberry, nettle, and black rice. And I do have a code that can save you 30% off your purchase. It is BelindaMua, and I will put it across the screen right here, and I will also leave the link to Yensa down in my description. So guys, if you are looking for a natural, long-lasting, beautiful foundation, please go pick this up. And I am in light medium. So thank you so much, Ipsy. I was so worried about running out, so I've been trying to use it sparingly. It's just an all in all great foundation. Okay, then the next one is the Midnight Black HP Liquid and Coil Eyeliner. That would have been nice to use for this look. It is vegan and cruelty free. It's in the color Midnight Black, like I said. This is what it looks like. Pretty nice. Now where is the other? Oh, right here. So it's dual-ended. Haven't had one of these. And let's look at the cold side. That looks pretty promising. I don't have anything on my upper waterline, so yes, I am glad to try this. Thank you. And the next thing, I got 2 more things in here, so that would be a total of 5 things. The House Laboratories Riot Lip Gloss in Venus. I just got one, I think, in my PR. I hope this is a different color. I have to look for it. If it is, I don't want to swatch it because if I've got the same color, I will pass it along into my 1K giveaway. But you can see this is the color. It kind of reminds me of the same color, but this one might be a little bit lighter. I'll have to go back or find it and see. If I don't have it, I'll keep it. If I do have the same color, then I will pass it along so someone else can try it out. And then the next thing is the Sandbar Mirage, which it was already kind of broken, the packaging was. So let's see what this is. Oh my goodness, it's a little eyeshadow palette. That is so cute. So being that I got an eyeshadow palette, I will do another video, not today, but I will do another video using the eyeliner, the House Labs, if I don't already have it, and this eyeshadow palette in the next upcoming tutorial. So be looking for that. So guys, that was all that I got in this month's box or bag. Let me know what one of your things was that you liked. And have you tried Ipsy? Let me know down in the comments. If you have not tried Ipsy, there is always a link in the description where you can sign up. And we will definitely, the next time I come back here to do makeup, we will definitely do a look with this, which I don't know what's in my Glam bag before I open them. You know, I don't have prior knowledge to knowing. I know what could be in there, but I'm not for sure what's in it. But I was really psyched, really psyched for this. I can't believe I got a Yensa Super Serum Silk Foundation. Guys, this is the best foundation, and Yensa is not talked about enough. They are an amazing brand. They're an indie brand, but they have quality product, guys. Such good quality. So I will leave Yensa down in the description where you can also check them out, and I will leave my code, which it is an affiliate code, BelindaMua, down with Yensa's link if you would like to try this foundation. Guys, it is amazing. I am not wearing it today. I am wearing the Purlissy Ageless Glow BB Serum. It's gorgeous also. I love Purlissy products, but I absolutely am obsessed with Yensa. This foundation is amazing, and I do like their BB or the BC concealer. Also, everything that I've tried from them, I love. And I think that's going to wrap up this unboxing. So guys, if you like this unboxing, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady from the South that does like to wear color, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you do not miss an upload. And guys, I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.